Hi there, I'm John Leach, and you're watching Arc Fishing.
Look at that crappie, man. That's a nice crappie. Nice largemouth. Very nice largemouth.
Nice largemouth bass.
Nice largemouth bass. Oh, good deal.
Alright, I'm going to reach this beautiful muskie. 35-inch muskie. Catch and release. 21.5 inches. I can't believe I just caught a carp. A swimming maul. I put that on a saltwater lure. Oh yeah. Woo. 17-inch largemouth bass. Catch and release.
Alright, so here that sizzle in the background is because I'm cooking maple syrup sausage. Can't wait to eat that. At any rate, Bass Pro Shop sent me this flyer. They're having a big sale, which is fantastic. And there's one up in Harrisburg, PA. It's about an hour to an hour and a half drive, depending on traffic. Since today is Friday, February 16th, I'm hoping to get there within an hour. I should hopefully be able to beat the traffic. But here's the sale I got going on. And what I'm after, let me go through here and I'll show you some deals that they have going that I'm interested in. They have a lot of good deals going on. First one is this Abu Garcia reel. It's $99, but if you trade in your old reel or broken reel, you get it for $84.99, and this includes a free Abu Garcia fishing jersey. So I'm considering that one. However, I'm really liking this lose reel right here. That would match my carrot stick perfect. I know they're good reels. They have great bearings in. They cast far. I just know the reel is a good reel. I already have a reel and I already have a lose, but I have different models, older versions of them. But here's the new Lose Team Laser SLP Speed Spool. $99, but with a trade-in you get it for $84.97. So I have a reel I can trade in. So that's a good deal I'm looking for. And there's a few other good deals on tackle. I'm gonna get a few fishing lures. I'm gonna look for some tackle. Here's one. It's the XPS crankbaits, starting at $3.19 a piece. I might pick up one or two of those. Let's see what else I got going on here. Here's chatterbait, Z-Man chatterbaits, starting at $2.69, and I'm looking for the 3 ounce and a half ounce. I may or may not go heavier, but I know the half ounce, 3/8 ounce are really good chatterbaits, so I may pick up a few of those. They got some spinners on sale. I really like those Panther Martins. They're great trout lures. I mean, I catch crappie, bluegills, and trout and those like crazy, but they start at $2.69 each, so I might pick a few of those up. You got the Beetle Spin here for sale, 97 cents a piece. What I would do with that is I actually take that grub off and I would put a Berkeley Gulp minnow on there, and man, that would work fantastic. And you could catch crappies, largemouth, smallmouth, bluegills on those all day long. Definitely gonna pick a few of those for that price. I'm also interested in this blade bait. These are starting on sale at $2.97 a piece, which is fantastic because they're regularly $4.79. I want the 1 ounce and 3/4 ounce. That's a good winter bait. So I'm looking for the silver and the gold. I'm hoping I have some of those up there. Let's see what else they have for sale that I'm interested in. They do have some really good deals going. I have a lot of good deals, but there's only certain things I'm really interested in. I'm taking a limited amount of money. I'm going to cap myself to a budget because I don't want to overspend. So I'm only taking a certain amount of money with so I can't overspend. And I'll only be using cash. I'm not using any credit cards. That's a big no-no. So then on the very last page, this is a really good deal. They have the Booyah spinner baits, 5 for $10. They're normally $6.79 a piece. I'm going to pick up 20 of those. I think I'm going to get 10 in a 3/8 ounce and 10 in a half ounce, as long as they have them available. But for $20 to get 10 Booyah spinner baits, you can't beat it. So at any rate, stay tuned. I'm on my way out the door. I'm just finished cooking this breakfast and eat that. I'm on my way out the door and on my way to Harrisburg, so stay tuned for more. I also forgot to mention, here's the reel I'm trading in. It's an old Abu Garcia. I bought this back in the 90s. I've been fishing these reels for years, but this is it's called a, so I can zoom in here, it's kind of hard to see, but it's called a Cardinal Black Max 3. I don't know if you can see that, but here's the other side of it. The only thing wrong with it really is the bail spring's broke, so it just needs a new bail spring. But I think I'd rather trade in for a brand new bait cache, and that's just, like I said, I'll either get the Revo or the Lose, but that's the reel I'm going to trade in. Just needs a bail spring, all it needs is good to go. I had this fishing reel for a long time. Hey, what's up, guys? John from Mark Fishing here. So I'm on the road. Calculated according to Google Maps, it's 48 miles from my house to Bass Pro Shops in Harrisburg. And according to GPS, it should take me exactly 1 hour, but that's not calculating traffic. But anyways, I'm on my way there. Hoping to get a few good deals, check out a bunch of stuff. I definitely want to check out that brand new Bass Tracker 40th year anniversary edition. I was really contemplating buying that. I could definitely afford it. At least I believe I can. Fit it in my budget. But the more I think about it, I think I'm gonna just keep my boat and just restoring it. I bought my boat with the intention of just fixing it here and there and tweaking it and just getting it functional. I knew it needed work. It was one of the reasons I bought it, because I wanted something to do. I hate being bored, so I figured I had something to tinker with. I know it was old. I know it was used. And I just want to tinker it here and there and do that, you know, just get functional, put in the water. But now I'm at the point, after helping Brent and watching Brent restore his 1990 Bass Tracker Nitro, did a fantastic job. And I have a video coming up on that, of him restoring that boat. It turned out beautiful. The thing's fully restored. It's really inspired me and motivated me to do it to mine. So I think what I'm going to do with my boat is strip it down completely and fix it right and restore it. I can either buy this Bass Tracker for $10,000 and do the monthly payments, $1,000 down, $99 a month, and have payment for several years, which I hate having debt payment. Or from $1,000 to $3,000, I'm estimating $1,000 to $2,000. I could probably completely, totally restore my boat. It don't need a lot of work, but it does need some work. I want to replace the live well valves, the one pump. I already placed the other one. I definitely want to place all the seats. I'd go on the bet $1,000 to $2,000. I got a boat fully restored, and then I do want to replace that trailer, so that's probably about $1,000 to $2,000 right there. So, but that's still a lot cheaper than $10,000. So that's what I'm really contemplating. But I at least want to check out this boat at Bass Pro Shops. It's a really nice boat, really good deal. The other issue I'm struggling with, my boat's 150 horsepower V6, so my boat does 55 miles per hour in the water, and I love that, and I'm used to it. That new 40th anniversary edition only has a 40 horsepower Mercury on it, so I'm downsizing dramatically. I'm guessing that probably does about 25, 30 miles per hour in the water, max. So I'll miss that horsepower and that speed, I guarantee you that. So that's why I think I'm just going to keep my boat and restore it. But it won't hurt to check out this boat in person. I've been checking it out online. I'm really thinking about it, thinking about it, trying to decide what I want to do. And I'm really narrowing it down. I'm thinking I'll just keep my boat and restore it. I mean, I just love having that horsepower. I love going really fast in the water. 55 miles per hour in the water, I mean, that's moving. A lot different than being on the road. But in the water, you follow a boat 55 miles per hour in the water, you're gonna feel it. Let me tell you. So that's why those boats have a lot of safety features on them. So at any rate, on my way to Bass Pro Shops, check out the good deals, check out the boat, they have it there, and I'll definitely take the camera in with me, show you guys what I'm checking out, give you a tour of the inside. Hopefully they'll let me video record in there. So stay tuned for more. Leave a comment below, hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The subscription's for free. Stay tuned.
Addicted to a memory, yeah. A masterpiece fading since She became the enemy. Stranger that I used to know. When did we become this? Run wild like an animal. Just trying to make it through the day. Oh, oh, oh. I don't wanna say what I feel right now. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, you put me.
Well, there's Bass Pro Shops. Finally made it. Got across the highway and into the parking lot.
Turn right, then turn right.
Tell me what you know. Go on and tell me what your heart's saying.
Thank you.
Tell me where you wanna go. Tell me if you're really ready for the ride. I'm asking one more time. Can you hear me now? Now, now, now. Tell me, can you hear me
Hey, good. How are you? Do you hear that lose reel?
Which one?
Hold on, I'll give you a second. I'll show you which one I'm looking for. Hope you sold out of it already. This one right here.
Yeah, we should.
You have it in left hand. Guess I should ask that first, huh?
This one.
Oh, this one right here. This side of the way. Do you do that trade in?
Yeah.
Just want to see this quick. Ooh, that's got good bearings.
There you go.
Thank you. Can I actually? I'm pretty sure I want this one, but I wouldn't mind looking at this Abu Garcia too. I just want to compare them. I think I'm going to go with this one. Oh, that looks like a. Where'd it go? This one here. You have that one in left hand.
Here you go.
Oops. I just want to. I'm pretty sure I want that one, but I like to compare. Ooh, that's got really nice smooth bearings. See, I have an older version of that. I think I'm going to go with that one. But thanks for letting me look at that. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
You too.
Time to go fishing.
I can't wait. Tired of having cabin fever. Ooh, nice. Look at that, 7:5 to 1 gear ratio. Lose Team Laser Speed Spool SLP. Boy, that's nice. Yeah, we're going with that one. What's this say? Now, next I want spinner baits. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah.
How are you? Which section is your spinner baits at? I know I'm getting close. No, right in front of me. How about that?
Right there and on the other side too.
Awesome. Thank you so much. The Booyah ones that are on sale. Here. These are the ones I'm looking for right here. Are they in that section?
Booyahs, they're on
Yeah.
the, right in there.
I must have passed them. All right.
They're in the yellow pack.
Gotcha. There we go.
Yeah, there's only 2 there, guys. Yeah, I know.
There's first 5.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Chatterbaits. I'm gonna go chatterbaits for now. Although, what size is this? I really want a 1/2 ounce. What size is this one? Don't they have that in 1/2 ounce? I want that in 1/2 ounce. What size is this one? There it is, 1/2 ounce. I'll get one of the white ones. Right there. Bingo. Let's get that in a bigger size. What size is this? Wish I had this in a 1/2 ounce, or I mean 1 ounce. I don't know what that was. I think that was there. Let's go with these 2. This place is busy today, man. It's packed in here. It's only a Friday. It's the first day of the sale. This thing's gonna be supposed to be gone by Sunday. Crankbaits. That's what I wanted. There it is. There it is. 12-pound test clear. Strand original. Regular $8.49. It's on sale for $4.99. I don't know if I should grab two right away. I don't know. I'll grab one. Grab two. There's one left. What size is it? It's the same thing or different? It's a different pattern. I know that's a good color. 2 to 3. 5 to 6. Perfect. Yeah, that's the color I want right there. Get 3 of them. Bingo. I know those work. Every color but black. Unreal. Wrong color. I bet you that was black right there and it sold out. Man, such a good deal too. Yeah, figures.
That one's over there, the one of the light furnace doesn't have a bill, it's reserved for rattle traps and shells. Okay. We did have some, it was sunflower, I was looking at that end cap. How you making out?
Good. Oh yeah, I found one. What I'm looking for. The 1.5.
The square bills, when they hit something, they deflect off, and the lake we fish in North Carolina has stumps all over the place. And if I can cast, and I've got 3 stumps between me and the bait, I'll use my rod tip and kind of steer it. And just as it's about to hit the stump, I'll give it a little, so that when it hits, it'll ricochet off kind of crazy.
Yeah.
If there's a bass within 3 or 4 feet, it's game on.
Nice.
So they don't hang up quite as bad, and if it hits something straight, head on, because you're straight across in the front, it'll hit, and just drag the hooks over, and then come off and continue. And
is that the color you're using?
there's 5 of these here. I keep two each in the box. And the 1.5, it's that natural pumpkin seed, natural rim, chartreuse and black, the chili craw, and sexy shad.
Yeah, the sexy shad right here.
Yeah, that's that 2.5 is a little bit bigger bait. Here's the 1.5. See, they came out with these first.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then they came out then, I think it was the next spring, they came out with the 2.5s and the red-eye shad.
And you're having more success on this size right here compared to this one.
That's just, that's what I bought the first. It's working for me.
Okay.
I'm not going to change. Probably do as well with that one.
Yeah, I'm just wondering. I know it's...
They both run 3 to 5 feet.
Oh, yeah.
So.
And
there's some days they want a bigger profile, and some days they want something smaller.
That's true. You know what? I have 3 that size, so I'm going to go with the 1.5 on this one. Where was this?
Here we go.
Oh, thanks. All right, I think I'll go with this one then. Oh, that was smooth. Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
He drove us down to the thing, and he handed us a bag of black Senkos with big blue flecks in it. And he said, I've been nailing them all week on this, but it can change from day to day.
Right.
And that black with the big blue was still, it worked all that week.
That's interesting. That's it. I can use these 5-inch. I should get 2 of them. Let me get 2 bags. Let's do this. Hi, how are you?
Doing all right, you?
Good. We'll start with that.
You have a rewards card with us?
No, I don't. These are supposed to be 5 for 10 from what I saw on the flyer. So I got, there's be 5 there. And then,
Go ahead and bring everything on up.
alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 more.
That's going to be separate then?
Well, I want to see what my total is going to be. I stay within budget. I want to go over $200.
Sure. Alright, let's see what these.
On my hat. Alright, let me do. That's fine. Let me do those two. Let me do those. Let me see. You know what? Let me do those. I think I'll be well within budget the way it's looking. Let me do that. Or should we do these first? Let's do all 3 of those. Oh yeah, here you go. I'm well within budget.
Okay.
Proud of myself.
Well, I didn't even scan this yet.
Okay, I thought you did.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna change things then.
When I scan that.
7. Go what?
There we go. Now it comes off 15.
You got taxes too yet though, right?
Yeah, tax.
Let's take these 2 off, and I think I'll be good.
Yeah, I figured I'd do the real last. That way I'll be able to figure in this a lot easier.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Completely understandable. Just trying to stay within budget.
No, that's alright. I totally understand. I do. That one.
You know what? Let's go ahead and hit the total real quick, or what's it gonna bring it to?
2.
All right, take that off.
Take that off.
Where am I at? That'll work. That's with tax or before tax?
That's right. That's right with the tax.
That's the total with tax?
That's the total with tax.
All right, that'll work. I'll take it.
$199.93.
Oh yeah, it usually helps. 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. It should be 200 here.
Okay, give me a few moments.
Thank you very much.
Yep,
Have a good day. It's getting cold out. Wowzers. It's got chilly out. Go ahead. It's alright, no problem. Alright, well, as you saw, I did stay within budget. It was not easy. I had to take a few things off the conveyor belt. I capped myself at $200. I was hoping to spend around 150 max, but I knew I didn't want to go over 200. So I didn't take any more than 200 with me, so I could stay within budget. Spent quite a bit of money on tackle, but I should be all ready to go for fishing season. Hopefully that stuff will last me all year. If not, hopefully longer, but definitely for this fishing season. Place was packed. It was busy. Talked to a few guys in there, and they said that you had to get here right when the store opened at daylight. Like the saying goes, you snooze, you lose. The early bird gets the worm. So there was some stuff I was interested in that was completely sold out. They had like fishing line and fluorocarbon on sale, like buy one get one free or buy two get one free. And of course, all the good stuff was gone. I got there. I mean, it is what it is. But overall, I'm satisfied. I got all the stuff I highlighted and wanted. Looking forward to putting that lose reel in the carrot stick. I can't wait to do that. That's going to be a sweet setup. I'll put 12-pound test, either Suffix or that strand on it, one or the other. But anyways, I'm on my way home. I stopped at Sheets. I'm going to grab something to eat real quick. Heading home now. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Click that like button. Leave a comment below. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Subscription is free. And always remember, navigate life and go fishing.
I've been a million places, and never see a many faces, but I feel it's supernatural. 'Cause this spark is electric. For every part of me, I feel it. I know it all comes back to you. I can't walk away, but I can't explain the voices in my veins. It comes back.